You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that has a very confusing spelling, but it's actually okay to learn the pronunciation. So let's go through pleaded. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, legal terms in particular, make sure to stay tuned. Pronounced pleaded. It's not said pled. Pleaded. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, pleaded. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.